So ayun guys, pabalik na kami sa hotel. That's Conrad Hotel. That's where we're gonna be staying. Ganda pala niya sa labas, no?
Ganda, yaman siya.
Hindi. Bagong kain na yan eh. Here. Very good.
Pwede na mag-solo ride.
So,
Hindi pwede?
check-in kami sa Conrad.
Ano to?
Mag-check-in muna tayo, Conrad. Pwede!
Oo, akala ko makalusap.
Uy, baka makatakbo.
Hindi. Hindi naman to airport, ma.
Naalala ko pa naman yung ating...
Wow, ang ganda naman ito. Naalala ko yung pang... Ito yung pang masahe sa ulo. Okay, we are going up. Oh, so cute. It's a restaurant. China Blue. So, yan, merong gallery na mga featured paintings. This is nice. Yan, kapag marami na tayong pera, kuha tayo ng mga commissioned artwork for our clinic. These are new creations at 2024. Okay. Oh, super nice dito sa Conrad. So, I'm guessing the pool is over there. Tapos ito yung pinaka lobby where we're supposed to check in. Tignan muna natin yung let's look around. Hi. Very nice. I bet that's pretty when it's turned on. Ay. Card. And look guys at this wonderful view. Well, final look. We're in, magiging lupa na yan very soon. Kasi obviously, ayan, nire-reclaim na siya. Grabe na to think of it. Dagat yan dati. And it's like being reclaimed as far as you can see. Grabe. Not sure if I'm happy about it, but it is what it is. So again guys, look at the lobby. Ayan, mukhang may tutugtog sa lounge piano. We are going up. So we are on the 4th floor. So, third time na yun. Yay!
See you later.
Yes, we're
Kulit
here.
talaga. Nakita ka ng Mr. Kulit.
Tapos ito tayo.
Yun.
Wrong way.
Yung isa daw okay na, yung isa inaayos pa yata.
Okay po. Siguro to follow na lang po yung key cards na.
So 40.
Lydia.
Thank you.
Anong number? 40.
72 po.
72. Smells Conrad.
Not your first time na po here.
Yeah, first time lang.
Mas maganda para sa Manila Hotel. No?
Hindi, mas maganda dito.
Matanda na naman kayo. Kasi tanda ko yun eh. 75. Okay, baka mo yung 75.
72.
Sa 4 side po kayo? 4. Mami, sabi nga.
Kalata.
Hindi naman po. Hindi naman po.
Okay, we're here.
Yung prepare na kaya. Ano na kaya?
69, 70, 71, 72. So this is our room.
72 and...
Wala pa.
Wala po.
Ano nililinis para mo?
Allow me to open your room, please.
See?
Okay. Yan, baka yung isa.
Wow.
You po.
Ano po gawin namin?
Tour.
Isa na lang po pa.
Opo, may isa pong pupunta sa concert.
Is this the king room
So-
or the bedroom? I mean queen or king? Oh, it's queen.
Okay. So, meron siyang tatlong beds.
Our
Tapos may sofa.
free cake.
May free cake nga. Nakalagay happy birthday.
Kay Granny.
Para kay Gani. Happy birthday, Miss Lydia Katambay. Wow.
Mrs.
Ayan. Hello.
Pero kay Granny, hatid ko nga nito.
Tapos may TV. Tapos merong complete water and ref and hot water and there's also coffee maker. Okay, sige. Ayan, kasama ka sa vlog.
Naka-vlog ka.
Ayan.
Hi.
Channel po kayo, sir. Ano po pangalan?
Ayan. The Techie Derma Vlogs. See, anyway.
Dermato. Gagawin mo maganda.
So on this side, we have here your bathrobe and slippers po.
Oh, ganito orientation.
Bathrobe and slippers.
Okay.
Your luggage drop on this side. And then on the side naman po, we have here your... Hello!
Hi, bud.
On the side, we have here your... I'm so sorry! Safety deposit box, your hair dryer, and a flashlight in case of an emergency. Okay, okay. I'll give you your pass. Okay. And since makulimlim po ngayon, you can also use our Conrad umbrella here, your iron and ironing board. Apo.
Pwede bang iuwi yung umbrella? Hindi. Unfortunately, no.
Meron na tayo. Yaman na.
And on this side, we have here your mini bar po. Allow me to open it, please. With
Okay, okay.
On this side, we have here your electric kettle, coffee machine, and the complimentary tea and coffee. You can ask for a refill po, just dial 0.
Okay.
Apo. This one is the 3 items. The complimentary. 4074 po. Excuse me. And on this side, we have...
Excuse me. Hoy.
Sure. Go ahead.
Up. Yeah.
Ito na po.
On the side, you have here also your complimentary bottled water and a bucket of ice. You can request po if you'd like to have a bucket of ice. And your mini bar items. And it's
That is not for free.
Yes, what? Here's the menu po.
Okay.
And actually, this one, the creamer for the coffee is complimentary po. Apo.
And the chocolate is to be paid. Never mind. Never mind. May marami na tayong chocolate. Huwag ka na. Never mind. Kaya nga, marami ka ng chocolate.
Mami, yung ano po, yung sa internet.
Okay.
Now, this side, we have here your control panels. Just press this once upward to open the curtain and blinds. And downward naman po, press once to close naman po.
Ah,
Alam mo na, tinitingnan mo lang mo yun. Yun, kung ano po i-point.
Press once. This arrow up. Then
Wow!
down, once,
Nice.
close.
What's the other one? Why are there two?
Right. Oh, it's the curtain and blinds.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cancel tayo, cancel.
For the assistance po, just dial 24 hours. You can ask questions and also requests.
Dial 0.
Apo. 88 naman po in case of an emergency or the red button.
Right, so
Can we take this out? Or maybe the paper only?
Just double check. Just dial
Is
0.
that the ones Philippine Sea?
Is there anything
Okay na?
I can help you?
Thank you.
Again, my name is Kai po. If you need further assistance, just dial 0 po.
Thank you. Itong CR, check natin. So, hi, that's me. So, here is our water closet. Yeah. And on the right side, ito ang ating shower. No bathtub though. And ayan. So, and guys, that's a tour of the room. Saan galing?
Binili 200 lang.
Wow, laki. So guys, ito na yung aming room. 4074. Teka lang, naayos ko yung susi. Here it is. Ay, mali. Dito wala. Sorry. Ayan, okay na. So, quick tour. It's supposed to look like the other door then, the other one. So, ayan, check natin na. Meron tayong closet, may mga bathroom, and yan, may mga tawag dito, sandals. Pa-open muna nito, ano? Mag-close. Ito na lang yung luggage. Meron CR. And then, water closet. Looks like the one on the other side then. And of course, yung shower. Okay, check natin kung ano nito. Oh, may mga plancha and everything. Yep. Okay. Wait lang. Ano to? Cabinets lang. Yeah. Mirror. Wow, happy birthday! Kaya pala kailangan mag-picture. Video to, mamaya. Tinutour muna natin. So, king bed namin. Ganun din. Meron ito. Usual. Ooh, very nice. Tapos, happy birthday kay mother. Tapos, yung mga ganito guys. Bedside work. I think ito yung dalawa. So, i-open natin yan. Wow, automatic. And of course, it's going to be the same view. Wow! So nice naman. That's my favorite ride before, hours away. Kaya lang, I doubt kung kaya ng puso ko. So, ayan. Ganda. And there's the big Ferris wheel. So, guys, that's the tour of our room. Good morning. So, we are up early. Well, not so early because we are going to our breakfast buffet. Ang dami na namang tao sa lobby. Busy again. A lot of check-ins. And here's the morning view of the bay. Hello, morning. Pero yan nireclaim na siya. Sarap yung jogging dyan. Hindi tayo nakapag-jogging. Here we are. Room 4072 and 4074.
4072 and
74.
74. This is all registered po under this name.
Katampay.
Katampay. Your inclusion po is Katampay. That's gonna be, yes, total is for 4 adults. And this is a table for how many person is Katampay? 7 po. May I ask na lang po how old na po yung mga kids?
11, 12, 3.
11, 12, and 3 years old. Okay po, so that's gonna be 7. Extra charge na lang po for 2 kids, ma'am. Since yung isang 3 years old is half of the rate. So this is a table for 7 person. My colleague will assist your table inside po. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Thank you. have a seat first. I'll just look for a table for 7 and then I'll get back to you.
Thank you. Tayo. Oh, Alisa, play na. Play na. Teka, photo. Oh, 1, 2.
Oh, sisingit naman ito.
Ayan.
You're over on this side.
Filipino have soccer over here.
This is the yogurt section. Assorted fresh fruits. Let's look what's over there.
I know that's part of it. It's all upside down.
Just one more sir, one. No problem.
Salads are here. How cute. And donuts. And bread. Ayan, di ba? Puro normal Filipino food ang kinuha nila. Ako Indian. I like this. Tinikman ko na. Samosa.
Wow, very, very good.
Bacon overload. Isaac, Sammy.
Yes, sir.
Wow! Isaac, look, it's for you. Wow! Thank you. Picture na natin. Thank you. Picture mo na, picture.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3. Isaac. Smile. Oops, ayan pala. Sorry, hindi ko na video. Oh, eat na, eat na. Cute. Thank you. Omelette. Needs ketchup though. Ketchup. Kuha ketchup. Omelette. Ketchup. Oh, go. Hali tayo. Omelette.
Saan ka galing? Hanap kita. Okay.
Ketchup.
Ano yun? Sweet ng babies. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Blow. Isaac. Blow, Isaac. Blow.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, blow, blow.
Fire. Ayaw na fire. Oh, ikaw na lang. Wait. Wait now. On my way. Fire truck. Bilis. Sa kabila. Fire truck. Sa kabila. Dali, go. Fire truck.
May fire kaya may fire truck.
Fire truck. 1, 2. Fire truck. Blow. 1, 2, 3, fire. Shh. Ang hina ng fire truck. Yay! Very good fire truck. Ten. Among Us. Woo! Among Us. May taho pa pala. Sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Take care.
So we are going to visit the pool.
Swimming or
Baka may toilet. Kumain na kayo.
Ayun ang toilet.
Malamig yan, hindi yan ano.
So this is the pool. Wow. Wow, there's a gym. Pwede na, kaya lang hindi ako nakapagdala. Oh, nice. Hindi kasi exposed kaya hindi natin napansin. So this is the pool. So this is the pool. And katabi lang niya is yung gym. Take a look. Ito yung gym, guys. Too bad I didn't bring any parang gym clothes or swimwear. Next time, maybe. Tignan natin kung pwede natin i-tour yung loob. Kailangan pala ng card, guys. Nilidala ko yung card. Toot! Silipin ko lang. No more time to gym eh. So, ayun guys. Kompleto rin. Live fitness parang sa Goats. S ka sa Anytime Fitness. Sayang, sana nakapagdala ako ng damit. Saan yung spa? Sa taas naman. Thank you. Silipin din natin ang spa. Wow, parang may lounge area pa dito. Although, yeah, it's mabango. So, you know, it's the spa. Conrad Spa. Ooh. Grabe, ang bango. You just follow the scent and you know you're on the right track. It's very nice. Ang galing. Merong sand formation. Sand formation ang tawag. Anyway, let's check it out. Sayang. Had I known. So may stairs paakyat. And hello. Nag-explore lang ako. So, Ispa. Ano ba pronunciation yun? Espa? Ispa. Espa. So parang spa siya na... Sorry, ningal ako. Massage yun. Ganun. Pero meron kayong dito na parang yung mga steam, jacuzzi.
For the hotel guest po, we have steam room and sauna which is located dun sa changing area po sa harap.
Doon sa baba. Okay. Ito
Although
yung...
here po, we do have just regular tub.
Tapos yung mga massage services nga. Sige, thank you. May guest ba?
As of the moment po.
Pwedeng i-tour?
Yes, okay.
Feature natin sa... Yeah guys, meron tayong free tour.
So, for the Conrad Spa po, we open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m.
So kahit hindi hotel guest, pwede.
Much better to have reservations ahead.
10 a.m. to 10. Aga magsara.
You can have the luxury of time or the date po na gusto niyo.
Ayun nga, very...
So, this is a couple's room.
Ay, wow. Parang date ano talaga.
Yes, this is private.
Di yung mga package talaga yung ano. Mga magkano? Ano yung
For
bawa
the
ganito?
packages po, we ranges from 6,200 to 7,200. And then inside naman po, you have your own steam room and dry sauna.
Tapos parang ilang hours yung allowed sa...
Depende po sir sa availability ng room.
Availability.
So normally po, you have 30 minutes prior usage of the facilities po. The treatment time po itself, and then siguro mga 10 minutes after if we don't have any other guests.
Okay niya, no? For gantong ano.
Oo, sir, kasi lahat
6,000. Pang date lang talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya yung pang every weekend spa, okay? Pero maganda. It's very nice. Pero yung mga regular ano lang, pinaka-basic na massage.
We range naman po from 3,600 to 4,200 naman po sa
Ayun guys, may idea na kayo ha. Ito yung ano, solo. Talagang very private.
Yes po.
Kailangan pag broken ka guys. Pag broken kayo, punta kayo dito. May sarili ka pa no?
Yes po, private setting siya talaga.
Very
The
nice.
common area that we have lang po would be the foot area.
May ganun din.
The foot massage po, dito lang siya.
Magkano naman usually ang foot massage?
2,000 to 3,000.
Okay. Sige, so ito guys, issue lang. Ganun din. Very private.
Yes.
Pa rin, kahit common. Ayan. So that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
No worries po.
May lounge pa.
Lounge is just for the guests to wait lang.
Waiting kaya.
Kasi may mga kasama po sila that they don't have any treatment, at least they can still have a rest.
Dapat pala kagabi nag-explore. Pauwi na kami.
Medyo madilim kasi sa gabi.
Okay.
Baka hindi yan rin po
Mag-check out na kami today eh.
You can
Next
still walk in
time.
naman po.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Enjoy your day po.
There you go, guys. Espa. Siguro mag-elevator na lang tayo. Pagod ako kanina. So we will ride this elevator. Conference pa. Wow. And we are going down. Third floor. Ta-da! We're here. Hi! 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 Nakita ko yung mga kids. Guys, dahil walang guest, take a quick tour. Picture ng changing room. May sariling showers. And toilets. And ito ang nice. Merong sauna. Steam sauna, tsaka dry sauna. Kompleto. Pwede pa ba ako dito? Yay! Wee! Abot ba niya?
Abot.
Abot eh! Sit down. Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Yay! Pero huwag niyo iiwan ha kasi baka ma-out of balance siya. Dito lang sa may stairs kung ano.
Saan ako? Pwede lang ako lang.
Malamig?
Malamig po. Sarap. Malamig lang.
Isaac, nanginginig ka na. Tara na. Swimming pa. Swimming pa daw. O, swim na. Dapa ikaw, dapa, dapa. Lamig na. Lalamig na tulong si Pon.
Baka mo, abay kukunin ko na yung dalawa.
Iliguan yun. Doon mainit. Warm water. So ayan, habang waiting for them, get shower and change. Ito kami sa lounge. With si JR. Si JR Batanggenyo rin. Taga San Jose.
Doktor yan, derma sa amin. May clinic kami na siya.
Pag umuwi ka. Kailang dulo yun sa amin. Hindi na siya nakarating Batangas City. Dulo eh.
I mean, pagka napunta po kami doon, SM Batangas.
Lapit lang kami doon.
Nag-SM lang.
Pagkadadayo sa mga ibang kaibigan. So, from 1,000 per day, magiging 15,000.
So, So we're back at the lobby kasi check out time na. So may tumutugtog ngayon doon sa piano. And forever busy dito. Daming guests. Afterwards, mamasyal ulit kami sa Mega Mall before we go home. Super worth it dito sa Conrad ang staycation guys. Highly recommended.